The fully automated production line of photovoltaic bracket consists of a 3-in-1 feeder and a punch-cold bending machine. The production line adopts coil lifting, leveling feeding and punching in molding mode. The production speed is fast. Through simple adjustment, a variety of photovoltaic bracketed steels can be produced. Intelligent PLC program control is controlled by Intelligent PLC program. The degree of automation is high. One person can be completed by operation, which can greatly save labor costs. The production line adopts a pre-decimal 3-in-1 feeder, which is used for the unwinding of coils and the whole bottle feeding of materials. The coils are unwinded from the 10 shrinkage barrels included in the feeding trolley, and then put into the punch through the whole bottle feeder, and then enters the cold bending molding machine. After molding, the hydraulic cuts into photovoltaic frame profiles. The whole line only needs one person to operate. Touch the screen, enter production data, and automatically complete the production requirements, which greatly saves manpower and is very simple to operate. What is the price of such a fully automated production line for photovoltaic brackets? Due to the different configuration models, the choice of electrical appliance brands and process details, the equipment prices are also different. You can follow us.